is Pawan. Now I will explain tFilterRow, tSampleRow, tUniqueRow, tShortRow processing, how to process in Talend. Now I will tell you tFilterRow component, where it is used, actually what is the use of the tFilterRow. Let's take, this is my sample data. Just I have 5 rows, employee number, employee name, department number, and just I will go to Talend Studio. Now I will take tFilterRow component, sorry, tFile input delimited component. This is source data. Every time you don't go to repository, if you want to metadata by this way also you can create. Just if you will give to exact location of file storage area, my file kept in this place, so I will connect, and I know metadata, I know file delimited, file separator, comma, so I will mention here just check in edit schema, no schema is not available, so you by manually can create schema here. Department number, salary, phone number, country, email, integer, department number integer, salary integer, remaining strings. So if you do enter 1, then it will show column name, otherwise it will not show the column name. Now we will connect it to tLogRow. File will just check it. See, records will come. By this way also you can get the source data from database or repository. If you know the file location place, then you will give to file location here, and file separate, field separator, mention edit schema, you manually will give. This is open studio, that's why you can create all columns. If in enterprise version, just you create one column and give data type as a dynamic, then automatically all retrieve the data from source. So now I will tell you tFilterRow, just tFilterRow component connected. This is my file store location. Now I will tLogRow. Connect. Reject all to reject. If you want reject flow also, you can create reject flow also. Just tLogRow, one more tLogRow will take. Just connect it to tFilterRow. Just check it. Reject flow. Just tFilterRow. tFilterRow is nothing but tFilter helps based on requirement. what you can require, like you can filter the data from source data. This is our data. So if you want more than 10,000 salary or more than 20,000 salary, then you will filter like this. Just click the plus add button and give the salary like more than 20,000 salary, greater than 20,000, just mention here. Just if you want to clear the data output, then you will select table. You will check it schema, it will reflect or not. Yeah, just output also showing. One more add line is there, error message. What is the reason to get the error? You will get that message also. Just select the fill table, click the run button. See result. Here you can apply 20,000 above salaries, that's why 30,000 and 40,000 will come. Here you will give just which record Kirti and Giri. Just you will go, you can apply your conditions under conditions also. Just name Giri. Just mention Giri. Giri, name Giri, and salary about 20,000, 40,000, 40,000. So here you can apply under condition or conditions also. Just check it or condition. In function there are different functions is there. So you will create one, you add one more thing, and you will give like see phone number. If you want length, if you know length, then you will give length and give 10 number. Then you will run. One record will come. So just change length of phone number from Giri. Now it will 8 digits. So what happened, we'll see. Sorry, you will not save the file. So here see no records will transfer, because here you kept under condition. That's why all records at all conditions satisfied only get the output, otherwise you will not get the output. If you put R condition here, you will check what is the result.
Yes, sir. Plywood is also pattern.
See, all records will come because at least one record satisfied, like your given condition salary more than 20,000, it will come. If it equal numbers 10, then it will come. That's why all records will come. If you want to satisfy all records, then only you will get the, if your condition here, if you kept under condition, then all conditions satisfied only you will get the output. For our condition, if one record satisfied only, then you will get the output.
Okay.
So this is filter condition. Here one, just if you want to use advanced mode, is there. If you know Java condition directly, if you know means you can write as your manually error self. If you know, let's see, I will show you. If you don't want to apply anything, here only will write conditions. Row 1, name, row num, country, dot equals India. Row 1, country, dot equals USA. So see result, India and USA. If you write code by manually, you can write code also. Otherwise you can use this portion also if you want to write if you don't know Java code, then you will write here also. Just give to your requirement, just employee number or yeah, this is all our columns only. Here function is nothing but here, see, here lowercase, uppercase, lowercase, uppercase, first length match. Based on our requirement you can use. Operators is nothing but equals, greater than, lower than, not equal to. Based on our requirement you will take this all operators, then you will give your values here. If string, then you will give in double quote. If integer, don't give any quote. If you string, then you will give double quote. See, Pawan, just double quote, then only it will come. Neeraja, if you don't give double quote, then it will sing. If you will give in single quote, what happens? See,
Hello.
invalid character constant. If you don't give any quotes, then what I will happen, we'll see.
Allocate is it's one.
String at any time you will just give to double quotes in value only. Neeraja cannot be resolved to a variable. So at any time just give to string, then you will give double quote. So if you write under condition, then all records satisfied only, then you will get the output. If R condition, if you put R condition, at least one condition will be satisfied, you will get the records. Here you will here you will create a number of conditions, but one condition will be satisfied, then you will get the record. But under condition it is not like that. If you all records, all conditions satisfied only, then only you will get the records. This is filter condition. Now I will explain tSampleRow. tFilter condition reject flow and main flow is there. If you want to reject records also, you will get the reject records. Again I will tell you tFilter, just copy this input here. Yeah, just tSampleRow. tSampleRow is nothing but it helps based on you can specify the range or required rows from source data. See how it is, how it works. Just I will show you. If in one job you can copy like this also. Every time you don't get the retrieve the data from repository, just you will copy from the job itself only. Same file you can use, then you copy that file and you will give like you will work like this also. Just here click the tSampleRow. Here conditions is given like this, 1,5 means just first line and fifth line only will come. 10 full stop 20, then it will come 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 up to 20, it will get the values. So I will show you in our file only 5 records is there, then I will explain. Just I will write 1,5 tLogRow will mention. Just you will deactivate this job. Just right click and deactivated all linked jobs. If you want only one job, if you want only one this component, then you will select t activated t file input delimited. You will select that component, then it will automatically come. Just tLogRow component you will take.
Okay.
You will connect tLogRow. Just check edit schema. If edit schema it not come, just synchronize the columns. One click here. Just you will check it.
Maybe it is more now in your place. Okay.
See, just 101 and 105 only will come. This is the sample row. Yeah. Just will go. 1, dot 3, 5. What will happen? You will see.
That one. First focus is slowly like these two JSONs which we are going to create, and then list
See.
out like
104 record will miss. First record will come, second record will come, third record will come. 104 record miss because you will give condition 1 dot 3, because 1.3 means it will continue 101, 102, 103. Just comma 105. After 103 we will again you will ask only 105 record only, then 5th record only. That's why you will give like this.
So I have listed out. I will go and check one.
This is the sample row. based on our requirement you can get retrieve the data, you can require the, you can retrieve the
only science
rows,
they
which
will
row
have
if
to
you
take
want
that.
required, then you will take that
Okay.
record. So if you
And
want 1 to 10 rows,
others
then you will take
others
1
means
comma
like
1 dot dot
subdating
10
not
it will
much
come.
use.
If you want exact
But
fifth and sixth line, then
we'll
5
keep
comma
it
5
like that, or we can
5 dot and 5 comma
stop
6,
for now.
like that.
We'll
If
check
you
it
will give,
later.
then it will automatically it will come.
So the table
Now I will
listed,
explain
we'll check
T
and
short
we'll
row.
have a discussion evening. Based on that, we can take decision. Okay.
Once again you will
Thanks.
deactivate this job.
Any need, you can call me. Yeah. Take your time. Take care of yourself. Okay. Yeah. Bye. Yeah.
T short row. T short row is nothing but you can sort the data as our requirement from source data. So how it works, just we'll just connect to email. Because it is this is buffer components. See, you will see edit schema, I will check it here. Our records 10 10 20,000 30,000 40,000 20,000. Then I will give it like this. Just I will option here salary descending order. Just deactivate t file input delimited. Just click the run button now. $40,000 $30,000. See here record 40,000 30,000 20,000 20,000 10. Based on our requirement you can sort the data by itself only. Just go to advanced settings here. Just you will see here we will go to T shorter advanced settings. Here short on this corporation is there because this is the performance issue. Then whenever you get the performance issue, then you will get click this button at the time. If you using this component in your job, then you will click this option because it will store in your local disk only. Then it will not store in your job disk. It will store in temporary disk only. If wherever if you give your folder name or file location, then you will give it here, and you increase buffer size also. This is one of the performance wise performance tuning component. This is now I will tell you. Just deactivate just copy this once again. Just go to deactivate, go to short on this cop. If you will go to tSampleRow, this is if you go to advanced settings for tSampleRow component, then you will click here short on this cop option, because it is the one of the best performance tuning point. Actually will ask if ask any interview, then he will tell you like this: short on disk option available in a tSampleRow component. You will click that button. You can store the temporarily in your local location only. Okay. Now I will tell you tUniqueRow. tUniqueRow helps it will be remove the duplicate values from source data. So look it. Just connect data. Will here only 5 records is there. You don't have any duplicate records in this file. Just you will copy this. Just here 106. Just give me employee number. Just see 15 records is total. 15 records is there. See what happened. Just connect tLogRow. Here just check it to edit schema. Yes, edit schema it will not reflect from source data. Then you will synchronize the columns whenever connect the from source data to your tUniqueRow component or tLogRow component. Okay, just you will click the table and go to tUniqueRow component. Here key attribute is there. If you select all, then see what will result. Seven. See where it will. Because here Pawan 106 employee number, Bhadra, it will change cts.com ctsco6. That's why one digit, one alphabet will change also. It will not take the duplicate value. If you want to give like see, then you will remove only name. Only you will get 5 records. If you want to particular column, then you will select particular column. If you want to enter row, if you want to enter data, then you will click this here key attribute total checkbox. If you want particular column, then you will select here. Then it will automatically remove the duplicate data. If you want to duplicate which records will be removed from file, then you will get that data also. Just connect here and see duplicates is there, then you will take tLogRow and connect duplicate this duplicates. I will show you tLogRow. See 5 records tLogRow 5. You see only columns without any duplications here. Pawan, Neeraj, Kirti, Giri, Bhadra. Duplicate all records. If you will give one more tUniqueRow, go select employee number and employee ID. Then see Bhadra C06, because this is both are not common records. That's why it will also showing. Whenever I select email ID also, if you select only e-name, then only 5 records only will come. Whenever you select email ID, then it will come also. Based on this is tUniqueRow. You will get the duplicate records also. When tFilterRow, tUniqueRow only you will get the duplicate records. You reject records and duplicate records only. These 4 components are almost tFilterRow, tSortRow, tUniqueRow in every job you can use. tSampleRow sometimes only will use in your jobs and regularly. So thank you.